Hello and welcome to my channel Umar's Learning Hub. You remember that in our previous classes we have done simultaneous linear equation but in easy methods like substitution method and elimination method. Today we will do some complex question related to simultaneous linear equations like y minus x equal to 3 and 2y minus x square equal to xy. I told you that we have to make subjects in and we have to make three equations in linear equation and making subjects like x and y. So we can make subject y equal to 3 plus x. When minus x will be shifted to right hand side, so it will become plus x. So y equal to 3 plus x. When we will put the value of y in equation 2, which is our 2y minus x square equal to xy, so we will place the value of y in equation 2 in place of y. So 2 multiplied by 3 plus x minus x square equal to x multiplied by 3 plus x. So we will by multiplying 2 with the whole bracket, so we will get the result 6 plus 2x minus x square equal to 3x plus x square. So when 3x plus x square will be shifted to left hand side, so we will get the result 6 plus 2x minus 3x minus x square equal to 0. So we can simplify the like terms, we can add them and subtract the like terms. So 6 minus x square minus 2x square equal to 0. In your previous classes you remember that when there is a negative sign in opposite in squaring terms of like there is minus 2x square in negative, so when you will shift it to right hand side, so it will become positive. So 2x square plus x minus x plus x minus 6 equal to 0, because ultimately the sign of variable and coefficient will be also changed when we will shift into right hand side. So we can take midterm break. I have told you in detail about midterm break, that how we take, so we can refer and go through our previous videos. I have told the method of midterm break in detail. So we can apply the method of midterm break. So 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus x equal minus 6 equal to 0, because we have to make plus x by adding them or subtracting them. So plus 4x minus 3x is equal to plus x, and by multiplying them by multiplying the coefficients we can get we got the result 12. Then we can take common from first two terms and second two terms. This is our first two terms and these are our second two terms. So after taking common, we will get the result 2x bracket x plus 2 minus 3 bracket x plus 2. Remember that we have if we do not get the same brackets like x plus 2 and x plus 2, so our midterm break is wrong. We can identify from this technique also. So we can write x plus 2 in one bracket and 2x minus 3 in one bracket equal to 0. So when these are written in two brackets, we can separate them also. So 2x minus 3 equal to 0 and x plus 2 equal to 0. So we have to find the value of x. So 2x, when minus 3 will be shifted to positive to the right hand side, so it will become 3. So 2x equal to 3 and x equal to 3 upon 2 is our answer of x. So then we will put the value of x in equation 3, which is equation 3, y equal to 3 plus x. Y equal to 3 plus minus 3 upon 2, so we will get the answer of y equal to 3. It's in the same method, x plus 2 equal to 0, so x equal to minus 2, and put in equation 3 y equal to 3 plus minus 2, so y equal to 3 minus 2, so the value of y is 1. So value of y is 1. Allah Hafiz.